Hey, how's it going everyone? This is John at The Drone Life, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a solar irradiance meter so you can have a successful infrared drone solar inspection. When doing a thermal inspection of a PV system, you need to understand how much sun energy is actually hitting the panels. This is usually measured in watts per meter squared, and to do a infrared inspection of a solar farm within IEC standards, you need to have a minimum level of irradiance of 600 watts per meter squared. To figure out this number, we use a device called a solar irradiance meter. So to measure the irradiance is fairly simple. All we have to do is make sure our sensor is lined up with the tilt of the panels. So we just need to put this right around here at the edge. Our sensor is lined up with the tilt of these panels, and then we have our readout. I personally set a timer on my phone for around every 20 minutes to check the irradiance. You can use pen and paper to jot this down, or you can take a photo of the screen readout each time, which is what I do. Since our phones actually tell us the time pictures were taken, I can easily in the office and go look at my photos and fill out the inspection report. Even if you can't be physically right next to the panels on a carport, for example, you can still measure the irradiance near them as long as the sensor is at the same angle as the panels. It's very important to check the irradiance throughout the entire inspection because weather conditions can change if the sun begins to set or clouds come in. As we can see, there's a bunch of clouds behind me, so every time one of these clouds goes over the sun, then the irradiance would typically, drop below 600 watts. Speaking of the sun setting, you do not want to be doing your inspection within 2 hours of sunrise or sunset. The sun would be so low on the horizon that the irradiance would be much lower than 600 watts. So that was how to use a solar irradiance meter for a successful drone infrared inspection of a PV system. And if you're looking to get one of these, I'll definitely link this one below. It's super easy to use, it's pretty inexpensive, and I'll put that link below and you can go check it out if you want. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and catch you again soon.